This is your farm, your life's work. But right now, across Nigeria, farmers are losing livestock, crops, and equipment to theft and vandalism. The threat is real, but so is the solution. Livestock theft is rising, especially during the dry season, and remote locations often mean slow police response. But here's the good news: you don't have to face this alone. Today, we are breaking down practical, affordable steps that will secure what you've built. Step 1. Strong perimeter control. Start with live fencing using thorny plants or reinforced wire. Clear overgrown bushes that give thieves hiding spots. Install lockable gates and use them consistently. And don't underestimate simple signage. A protected farm sign can deter opportunistic criminals. Step 2. Lighting is your ally. Install solar-powered motion sensor lights around storage areas, pens, and gates. Automatic dusk-to-dawn lights along pathways are also a great idea. A well-lit farm is a much less attractive target. Step 3. Natural and human surveillance. Local breed guard dogs are incredibly loyal alarms. For poultry farms, geese, or guinea fowl and nature's security system. If possible, having someone live on site is a huge deterrent. Step 4. Technology is a force multiplier. Simple, affordable GSM alarm systems can send an alert directly to your phone the moment a sensor is triggered. Solar-powered CCTV cameras allow you to monitor your property from anywhere. These steps are your first line of defense. Follow for part 2, where we'll cover the next 4 essential security strategies. Thanks for watching.